How to get a web browser on Roku. So there are a few ways you can use to get a web browser on your Roku device. So first is to use screen mirroring from your smartphone or tablet. Screen mirroring is the fastest and most flexible way to get a browser on Roku. It works with both Android and iOS devices, letting you project your mobile browser directly on your TV screen. So to get started, press the home button on your Roku remote, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and then select Prompt or Always Allow to enable mirroring. Your Roku is now ready to accept mirrored content from other devices. Now on Android, swipe down and tap Smart View or Cast, then select your Roku device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose Roku from the list. Once connected, open Chrome or Safari on your phone and browse manually. Second thing you can do is to install a third-party Roku browser. While Roku does not have an official browser, a few third-party options are available in the Roku channel store. Third, use a companion device with a browser. Connect a separate streaming stick or gaming console with a built-in browser to your Roku TV via HDMI. This lets you use Chrome, Edge, or Opera directly on your television. Fourth, use the Roku mobile app as a remote browser. And lastly, the best browsers for casting or mirroring through Roku would be Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. And that is how to get a web browser on Roku TV.